Welcome to MaxSold. So you've signed up for a seller-managed auction. What's next? First, you have to set up the site. Go through the items that you have and separate out what will be included in the sale. It is important that anything that's not for sale is distinctly separate from the items that will be listed in your auction. While we can sell almost anything in your home, there are some items that are restricted and are not eligible for sale on the site. These items include firearms, alcohol, food, and ivory. Once items are separated and it is clear what is for sale, build lots by grouping like items together. Label your lots with lot numbers using either the stickers provided to you, sticky notes, or painter's tape. Items in lots should look neat and be clean. This increases the probability of better sales. Download the latest MaxSold cataloging app. Using this app, you will take pictures and write descriptions of your items. Take at least 5 photos of each lot, all within the app, showcasing the items and highlighting any details. Then give a name to each of your lots. Enter the titles and write the descriptions of the items. Once your catalog is complete, connect to Wi-Fi and upload your catalog to our server. After your catalog is uploaded to our server, we take it and build it into an auction. Before we make it run live, we do email you an auction draft for you to review. For this, open the auction draft link from your email in your web browser. Review and edit your catalog. At this stage, you are able to make comments regarding descriptions or even add more photos. Check off the Catalog Ready box and select your auction dates in the next window. After checking off this box, you will have no more access to your auction. The auction can go live as soon as 24 hours after you set your dates. You get to choose the length of your auction. Our recommendation is to leave it open for between 7 and 10 days. After the auction is closed, MaxSold will send you a list of winning bidders so that you can host a pickup event. Check the buyers' paid invoices at the door and lead the buyers to their lots. There is no need for you to move any items, as it is the buyer's responsibility to remove all of their purchases from the site. If you have any questions at all during the pickup, please don't hesitate to contact MaxSold support staff. We're always happy to help and can be reached at 1-877-257-7799 on extension 9. We look forward to working with you.